Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Vanguard Roth IRA. First, let's confirm your eligibility. To contribute, you must have earned income. For single filers, your modified adjusted gross income needs to be less than $150,000. For married couples filing jointly, this limit is under $236,000. There is no minimum age requirement to open a Roth IRA, making it accessible for many individuals. Opening your Vanguard Roth IRA is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting the Vanguard website and selecting the option to open a new account. You will then choose brokerage eras and specify Roth IRA as your account type. Be prepared to provide some basic personal information, including your social security number and address. Finally, link your bank account for easy electronic transfers to fund your new retirement savings. Once your account is open, the next step is funding it and choosing your investments. You can easily transfer money from your linked bank account directly into your Roth IRA. Vanguard offers a wide array of investment options, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, individual stocks, and bonds. For a simplified approach, consider their target date funds, which offer a professionally managed, diversified portfolio. While many mutual funds have a minimum of $1,000 to $3,000, you can start investing in ETFs with as little as $1. Understanding contribution limits and benefits is crucial. For those under age 50, you can contribute up to $7,000 annually. If you are age 50 or older, you can contribute an additional $1,000, totaling $8,000. The primary benefit is that your investments grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Plus, you can withdraw your original contributions at any time without taxes or penalties, offering great flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.